Sweetheart, what's the matter? That's such a nice snowsuit.
Why do we stand up? It's gonna be fun. I don't know.
Oh,
Can we do it?
that's a nice snowsuit.
Here we go.
God.
He may not tolerate it.
Oh, look at the baby. Come on.
He looks like my buddy.
Yeah. Look at Danny, Drew. Look at Danny going through the snow. Look at Danny. What's that Danny doing? Huh? Go see Danny. Go see Danny. This is a great idea.
I hold you.
He's fine.
There.
Is that fun?
No, honey.
What is all this white stuff, Drew? What is it?
Let me eat some.
No. Ooh, it's nasty out here.
Yeah, it's breezy, isn't it?
See, Drew?
He'll
Well,
be fine.
hold
I'm
his
gonna go.
hand. Can you hold his hand, Danny?
Tell him I'm gonna go, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Danny, hold his hand. Oh, sheesh. Ooh, wee. Brr.
There you go.
There.
Doesn't like it.
Well, it is kind of biting wind today.
Mmm. Mmm. Drew, eat some. Drew, look, watch.
Drew do. Drew do.
Drew, watch. Oh, look. Drew, watch. Drew, see? Drew, Drew.
Well, we got a real snow bunny here. Yes, sir. We're talking somebody who just takes to the snow like it was second nature. Don't we, Drew? Fun kid, huh? Walk him around a little, Dan. You might have to just get used to it.
Wanna get down? Wanna get down? Wanna get down, sweetheart?
Ooh.
Oh, look. Look, Drew.
Hold his hand and walk with him. Yeah. Yeah.
He's getting used to it. Drew, come here.
Do something funny again, Danny.
Drew.
Danny, do something funny again. What's that Danny doing, huh? That Danny. Funny Danny. Funny Danny. Funny Danny. Woo! It's cold, isn't it? Funny Danny.
There you go.
Drew do. Drew do.
Drew do. Drew do. Drew. Drew do. Sit down.
Oh, sweetie.
Drew. That's
Hold his hand and see if he wants to walk, Danny.
We'll walk around.
Walk with Danny. Walkie walk. Walkie walk with Danny.
Walkie walk. I think he's cold.
No? He's got that suit on. He ought to be all right.
Oh. What's wrong?
What's the matter, Poofer? What's the matter, Steve? What's the matter, darling?
He wants in.
What's the matter, darling?
Huh? Out here.
Okay, well, we'll go back in. All right.